Hello viewers, I'm Advocate here from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about Section 65B, which says the admissibility of electronic records. Now, notwithstanding anything contained in this Act information, it is provided as in electronic record which is printed on a paper stored record in optical or magnetic media produced by a computer, hereinafter as a computer output. Now, it shall be deemed to also be a document condition mentioned in this section are satisfied in relation to the computer in question and shall be admissible in proceedings for the proof or production or original as evidence. Now, the second condition says that the condition referred in subsection 1 in respect of which the output shall be the following, namely, the computer output containing the information was produced by the computer during the period over which the computer was used regularly. Now, this is the precondition that the computer must be in a regular use condition. It should not be like the storage capacity information. So, computer during the period over which the computer was used regularly to store or process information for the purposes of any activities regularly carried on over that period by the person having lawful control over the use of the computer. Now, the second precondition is that during the said period, information of the kind contained in the electronic record of the kind from which the information so contained is derived was regularly fed into the computer in the ordinary course of the said activities. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of Section 65B, admissibility of electronic records. No evidence shall be taken on record before placing the 65B certificate, which says that the admissibility of the electronic records. If you have any doubt regarding this particular video, do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear up all your doubts regarding the admissibility of electronic record in my next video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.